morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a vlog. My dog is whining because I literally just woke up and I usually get up and take him outside. So he's whining right now and being a little bit of a butthead, but that's okay. I'm so excited to be back vlogging again. I haven't vlogged in I don't know how long. I actually filmed a vlog or like vlogged one weekend, but I ended up never editing it or never posting it. I don't know why. I actually have a new camera. I'm hoping you guys can tell the difference in quality because I'm obsessed with this camera already. I'm so excited to finally use it. Oh my god. I just wanted to do like a daily vlog. It is Sunday, July 19th. I started vlogging yesterday and I actually posted on my YouTube community tab that I was vlogging today, but I ended up like hanging out with some friends pretty much all day, so I didn't. On the schedule today, I'm going to take the dog outside and then I'm gonna go do a workout down in the gym. I'm excited and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do and you like the vlogs, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You know what I'm saying? We just hit 3,000, like, hey. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my day and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy it and let's go. I just got back inside from walking the dog and I went ahead and tied my hair up and I got dressed to go to the gym. I got this really cute workout set from Amazon. I actually bought two. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. I love shopping on Amazon for especially like my workout, you know, outfits and stuff because they're super duper cheap. And I'm using my J-Sculpt waist training belt, which I like. I don't understand how people like work out in them because if I'm not standing straight up, it's very uncomfortable and it cuts into my gut and I don't like that. But the only thing I'm gonna be doing is probably the bike and the treadmill. So yeah, let's go ahead and head down to the gym and get this workout. I'm gonna fill up my water bottle. There's some water left over from yesterday, so I'm gonna dump that out and get started. I'm gonna try to drink 2 of these today. So yeah, I think I can do it. We'll see. I just got down to the gym and when I walked in here, somebody was in here, but they just left. So I'm really happy that I have it all to myself. Yay. I just got back from the gym. I didn't work out as long as I wanted to because there was a lot more people in there, so I wasn't able to like film it for you guys and I was just getting tired and I just wasn't in the mood really. So I'm gonna have my first juice of the day and it is celery, apple, and lemon. I had this one yesterday and it wasn't actually that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drink that now and then before I jump in the shower, I'm gonna finish cleaning up my house because I have a bunch of stuff left out from yesterday because we hung out till about like 11 o'clock last night and I was not about to clean up. So I need to clean the house and I figured I'll probably get sweaty anyways. So I'll just take a shower after I'm done doing all that and then we'll continue on with the day. Let's do this. Cheers! It's not my favorite because I don't love celery, but it's not horrible. Yesterday I was in Best Buy and they had a juicer for $60 and I was kind of surprised because I always thought juicers were like really expensive. So I'm considering going to Best Buy and purchasing one because I would love to make my own juice and like bottle it up and stuff because I feel like I like juices more than I like smoothies. So I'm thinking about doing that today. I can tell I haven't vlogged in a long time because my arm is super tired. All right, I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna get to cleaning because my house is a mess. I just finished doing the rest of my chores. I still have a little bit of cleaning up to do, but my friend is coming over. We're going to run a few errands and I'm going to do her hair. I'm gonna do some micro links and give her some extensions, and I'm really excited to do that. And I think we're gonna head out to Best Buy because I really want to get a juicer. I saw one yesterday in another town and it was on sale for $60. And this whole like juicing thing, I feel like I could get really creative and make my own juices. I think I already said this, I'm not sure. My outfit today is really simple. I did decide to put on some jewelry. I haven't worn jewelry in a really long time because I've just been basic, but my outfit's pretty simple. I have my Tribe Squad merch. If y'all don't know Shandism 101, she has the comfiest merch I have ever felt. Girl, I live in this shirt, I'm not even lying. And then I have my favorite leggings that I purchased from Amazon, and these shoes that I think I got from Marshall's. I really love it because they have olive on the back, and olive is like one of my favorite colors. Well, green is my favorite, but like olive has a special place in my heart. That's why I love this shirt so much. So this one is the afternoon pick-me-up, and I can't remember what's in this one. I want to say, I know there's apples and lemons, but maybe it's orange. I don't know. Let's just taste it and find out. Damn, that's good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's definitely orange. So it's orange, apple, and lemon. Oh, wow. Yes. My friend just left. We had a lot of fun. We went to Best Buy, didn't find a juicer. That was a bust. Went to Bed Bath & Beyond, no juicer. Went to Target, no juicer. So apparently a lot of people are into the whole juicing thing now because I couldn't find one. And now I'm like talking myself out of purchasing one on Amazon. I don't know if y'all do that, but I do. I like want something, but if I can't find it when I want it, I'm like, do I really need it though? Like, is it that serious? Because I don't think it is. She just left. I did her hair. I'm gonna insert a before and after picture. I did micro links. They turned out so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life vlog. I know I missed a little chunk of it, but I was really just doing hair, so it really wasn't anything serious. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the vlogs, there will be more coming here on this channel, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!